Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got from Amazon and some of the things that I got from Dollar General during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, weekend, all the sales, everything. So here we go. I'm going to start with the Dollar General stuff because that's out already. So they had a sale where you buy one and you get a second one for 75% off. So I bought this cute little llama for $3, and I got this one for 75 cents. And I bought this cute little unicorn for $1, and I got this little dinosaur for 25 cents. And I got this unicorn for $3, and I got his friend for 75 cents. So got 6 plushies from Dollar General. Very happy with that. I only went to one, and that's what I found. Now I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got from Amazon. Now, I actually have an Amazon affiliate store, and I have a link below to my OCC, well, to all of my affiliate store, but I have one section that's just for OCC. So check back every once in a while and look and see what things are on sale. And if you buy things for Operation Christmas Child throughout the year, then you're not having to spend so much, you know, in October, November when you're trying to get your boxes made. And if you buy in bulk throughout the year, then you're able to help more children and make more boxes. So first thing on top is these badminton shuttlecocks. So you can use these badminton shuttlecocks like a hacky sack, and I found directions that I can put with it from the blessingsonashoebox.com website. So you can go there and look for that. But this is a fairly inexpensive. I've got 24 here, and it would be a great blessing, I would say, for a little boy, maybe 5 to 14. Girls too. So the next thing I have is a set of watercolor paints, and I believe there's 24 in this pack. And I just love sending kids things that they can be creative with and that they can do art with. I mean, this really is a craft channel, and I'm a crafty person, so I love sending crafty items like watercolor paints. Let's see. Next, I got this set of click pens, and I'm actually quite impressed with them. They have 6 different colors, and they seem to be nice and bright and fun, and you never can find paper when you need it, right? Oh, you know what? Here we go. Here's a piece. So let's just check and see how bright all the colors are. There's the green and the blue. Purple. This can be so much fun. I used to love this type of pen when I was a kid. I don't think I had one of my own, but I would borrow my mom's all the time. That was the black. Here's the red. And there's an orange. So nice, bright, dark colors with this multi-pen, and got a whole bunch of them. And I think this is going to be great for any age group. All right, let's see what we have next. I have bought these before. I absolutely love them. This is called Dinosaur Go-Kart, and I love this for my boys, all ages especially. But I just think they are so much fun. You get 6 of them, and these are the types of cars. First of all, they look like dinosaurs. How cute is that? And these are the type where you pull them back and then they go forward on their own. And like I said, I've bought these before. They were on sale, so I bought them again, and you'll be able to find them on my Amazon store. Next, I opened up this box to see what they look like, and then tried stuffing them back in. So this is Baby Truck Car Toy Set, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars and a stoplight. And these are going to be great for the 2 to 4-year-olds. So look at this crane truck. Isn't that cute? All right, I've opened them all up. So here's a little car. This one I think is a garbage truck. How fun is that? We have a little airplane. These would be great in a 2 to 4 year old box. And you could just do 1 or maybe 2. Here is, it's got a bucket shovel thing truck. Here's a car. Has a hat on it. I don't know if you could play with it maybe being a police car or maybe a taxi or just whatever kind of car you want it to be. And this one has a forklift on it. Oh, that's cute. And let's see. These cars, I think they're the kind that you can kind of push them forward and they're going to get a little bit more momentum. They don't do backwards. Here's the stoplight. It does have a place for batteries, so I guess the light does turn on. So that could be a fun addition to send with one of the cars. And only one child will be able to get this because there was only one. But it comes with this bag. But it's not just a bag. It has Velcro down the sides, so you open it up and it becomes a play mat with a road. How stinking cute is that? That would be a great idea for those of you that make your own mats for kids to play on, is to put some Velcro on the sides and turn that mat into a bag. I'm definitely gonna save that idea. All right, let's see what else is in the box. I've bought these before. Bought a whole bunch of little Rubik's Cubes. I teach middle school, and my middle schoolers right now are really into Rubik's Cubes, and they like carrying them around and trying to solve them. A couple of them at least do. And so I think some kids getting Operation Christmas shoeboxes would love to have some Rubik's Cubes. So this is a big set, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I think there's 30 in here. So these can go to my older boys and girls, my 10 to 14s probably. And this one, I thought I'd show you how it was packaged. These are hair ties in multiple colors, and they came vacuum packed. So I can just take out a few and put them in each of my girls' boxes, and that's gonna be really fun. So again, check out my Amazon store and especially my OCC place and look for when things are on sale throughout the year and start stocking up. And you know what? If you're really not going to do shoe boxes, you can buy them for me and send them to me. That's fine too. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, toodles!